In this video, I'll show you how to transfer TON from Binance to Tonkeeper. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your phone and unlock your wallet using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Make sure you are inside the wallet where you want to receive your Toncoin. On the main Tonkeeper screen, tap Receive. Then choose Toncoin, also shown as TON. Tonkeeper will now display your TON wallet address and a QR code. Tap Copy Address to copy your Tonkeeper receiving address. This is the address you will use inside Binance. Before continuing, check that you copied the address from your own Tonkeeper wallet and that you selected Toncoin, not another token. Now open the Binance app and log in to your account. Tap Wallets, then go to your Spot wallet. Search for TON, then tap it to open the Toncoin wallet page. Next, tap Withdraw. Choose Send via Crypto Network if Binance gives you more than one withdrawal option. Paste the Tonkeeper address you copied earlier into the address field. Now select the correct network. Since you are sending Toncoin to Tonkeeper, choose the TON network. This step is very important. Do not choose another network unless Tonkeeper supports it, and you are completely sure it is correct. Using the wrong network can cause your funds to be lost. After selecting the network, enter the amount of TON you want to transfer. Binance will show the withdrawal fee and the final amount that will arrive in your Tonkeeper wallet. Review these details carefully before continuing. For a transfer from Binance to your personal Tonkeeper wallet, you usually do not need to enter a memo or comment. If Binance shows the memo field is optional, you can normally leave it empty. However, always follow any warning or instruction shown on Binance before confirming. If this is your first time sending TON to Tonkeeper, consider sending a small test amount first. This helps you confirm that the address and network are correct before sending a larger amount. Once everything looks correct, tap Withdraw or Confirm. Binance may ask you to complete security verification using email code, phone code, passkey, or an authenticator app code. After confirmation, Binance will process the withdrawal. You can check the status in your Binance withdrawal history. Then open Tonkeeper and refresh the wallet screen. Your TON should appear after the transaction is confirmed on the network. And that's how you transfer TON from Binance to Tonkeeper. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.